Once upon a time, in a small suburban neighborhood, there lived a dog named Max and a cat named Luna. Max was a friendly and energetic golden retriever, while Luna was a beautiful and elegant Siamese cat. At first, Max and Luna didn't get along very well. Max would bark and jump around whenever he saw Luna, which scared the timid cat. Luna, in turn, would hiss and run away whenever Max got too close. They lived in separate worlds and seemed to have nothing in common. One day, while exploring the neighborhood, Max got into trouble. He chased after a squirrel and ended up getting stuck in a thorn bush. He barked for help, but no one seemed to hear him. Just when Max thought he was doomed, he saw Luna approaching him. Luna hesitated for a moment, but then she saw that Max was in trouble. She knew that he was a good dog and didn't want to see him suffer. Luna cautiously approached Max and began to lick his wounds. Max was surprised, but he was also grateful for Luna's help. From that day on, Max and Luna became the best of friends. They would play together in the yard, with Max chasing Luna and Luna teasing Max by running up trees. They would also take naps together in the sun, with Max lying on his back and Luna curled up next to him. They were the perfect pair, always looking out for each other and always having each other's backs. People in the neighborhood were amazed to see a dog and a cat becoming friends. They thought that dogs and cats were supposed to be enemies. But Max and Luna didn't care about what people thought. They were happy just being together. Years went by, and Max and Luna grew old. They may not have been as spry as they once were, but their love and loyalty for each other never faded. Max and Luna passed away within a year of each other, and the people in the neighborhood mourned their loss. They knew that Max and Luna's friendship was truly special and something to be cherished forever. Moral: once upon a time, there was a dog named Max and a cat named Luna. They didn't get along at first, but when Max got stuck in a thorn bush, Luna came to his rescue. From that day on, they became the best of friends, showing us that friendship can be found in unexpected places.